Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce our new products. This is the fryer accessories for the taco carts. And we can see the units. They give you a big space right here. And also they come in with the manufacturers have a parts. There's a small faucets inside. And for this one, they have a connection at the bottom. I will show you later. And for the dimensions at the inner side, it is about like a 6 inches deep, 15.5 inches wide, and 12 inches long. And for these units, actually they are replaceable. So how we do that? We can just simply pull it out and look in the bottoms. We can see in here, this is the connection for this faucet. So you can connect with the faucets right here, and using this one to control the oil goes out or keep inside. And that's what be the all demonstration information about this product. So if you have more questions, feel free to contact with us.